What are we doing?
Just not racing.
No, it's a little too wet for racing today. But we're standing in front of the new shop, and probably looks a little bit different since...
The new revised shop. This is not the new shop.
That's true.
People get confused. They think that this is the shop we're going to build, but this is just the remodeled shop.
Yeah, this was an existing block building that was falling in. It was in pretty bad shape, but we decided to, would you say revive it?
Yes.
Revive it so that we can have a place to store our junk. And we are officially done with the reviving of this building. We got it inspected this morning. So now we're going to start moving all the cars over here and the welders and the tools and just junk and start filling it up. But here's a little walkthrough of the new shop. So here's the outside of it. We covered the whole block building with metal, put new roof trusses on it, put metal on the roof, built these really, really big doors. You look really small standing beside those doors. Nope. Put some new windows in it, put some new lights in it, painted the walls.
Put a race car in it.
Put a race car in it. And with the car in it, it actually makes this building look pretty small, but it's 90 feet long and 22 feet wide. So
we're about to fire this thing up. Look. No, just kidding.
All it lacks, just to
finishing.
Yeah, just finishing. All it lacks finishing. I'll stop and get some gas for it later.
That'd be good.
So this is going to be the new temporary shop while we build the really big shop.
Oh, look at that.
That's getting ready to. That's getting ready to go. Okay, so this is where we're going to be for a little while. Probably got a few engines to build here in the next month or two when parts come in. And this is the temporary location where we will be until we build the big shop. Is going kind of over there. You can't really tell. That's a big graded off spot. We've graded it out now, and we're getting ready to start building over there. That'll be a 50 foot wide by 120 foot long shop, and it's gonna have living quarters and all sorts of cool stuff in it. So that's what we'll be busy working on all year, is building that thing. Anything else we got going on?
Nope.
That's it. Unfortunately, not a whole lot of race carring going on.
I traded my racing hat in for a hardware hat. You know it's bad now.
Yeah, that is pretty bad. Yeah, but you got a racing shirt.
Oh, I got taco shirt. Yeah.
I got a original More HP shirt on. We're still racers at heart.
Yeah.
We'll be back. We're just not sure how long it's going to take. Okay, see ya.